Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:14 p.m., April 26, 2021. The markets are acting a bit strange. Big earnings week. I had a kind of day. Make sure you subscribe for new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. It's amazing how stocks move in the after hours when the algos go away and they blast through areas that you thought they were going to pummel through, like this 27 move here. And here it is. And I was going to take it, but I decided to do a video, and it's just going to rip. This thing's going to go 20. I thought it was going to pop through 27. It's popping through 28, and it's on its way to 29. MVIS, I struggled with last week. Sorry about no video on Friday, but I headed out of town. I had my son's soccer tournament. Good news is they won it, which was solid. And, the markets are just kind of chopped today. Very choppy. Even though I have a lot of green on my screen, it was just kind of a nasty up and down chop, get you in, get you out. And I paid the price, and I'm going to talk about my mindset real quick, and it's pretty toxic. I'm really struggling right now with my head. I'm struggling myself. I'm slamming the table. I'm yelling at myself for taking trades I shouldn't take, or I take trades that should work that don't work. It's the mix. I used to look at trades and have them fail and be like, oh, damn it. Or have they won, like, nice. But now I'm like, boom, boom, boom. Like, what are you doing? Just frustrating, just angry. I mean, I need to make money, and I have a good support group behind me. And there's one trader that's really helped me out, and I feel bad because I just keep throwing my toxicity, I guess you can call it, on him. And, he's just an amazing trader that it won't affect him. But today, the call of the day was on Amazon. It was a news play. And, being such a high price stock, trading common shares, I can't really trade a lot of this. I can trade up to like 40 or 50 shares or something like that. I just don't have hotkeys all set up for this. And Amazon came out right here. I had a 54 entry, 25 shares at 33.54. News was they're going to do a stock split. And it wasn't confirmed, but it was kind of like talked about. So hopefully this news comes out again, into the future. Maybe after their earnings. They'll probably announce it on their earnings, but we'll see what that does or not. And it kind of just took off and just kept going. I mean, 25 shares could have been $1,500. But then again, if I was trading something like options and had one or two contracts, which I can, or even more, even 3 or 4, I could have made like 10 grand. The news was here. I got it here. And it just hurts not to be able to take advantage. I know someone potentially that made 6 figures on this trade. I'm really happy for them. But that's the type of stuff. It's not like FOMO. It's just me fighting myself. And here's my day. Here's my day of ugliness. 173 down on the day. I fought with Tesla. I thought I was going to blow through a certain number, and I got smoked pretty heavily. And then I tried it again, got smoked. Boeing, similar. Facebook, I don't know what I was doing there. Disney. TCAT actually went 4 points in my favor, but I didn't give it enough room. It was just like these stupid things. I was down $700 today. But I really liked MVIS today. I'm just going to get into that. I'm not even going to really talk about all the other trades. MVIS today, throughout the day, was just setting up beautifully. Here's a 5-minute chart, but you see the pullback here on this move. There's moves everywhere on the 2-minute was even cleaner. I think right here. Look at this move. Pull back here to the 8 EMA, and the break of this one just ripped up from 25 to 28. And now look at this thing go. It's just so frustrating because I was like, okay, I want to watch. This is a stock to watch in the afters, and here it is, just ripping. I actually was in a trade up until 3:59 in 40 seconds. Sold the rest. I was thinking, okay, but it did drop off to like 50 cents below where I exited, and then in the afters, it just started to go, and now it's still continually going. So, going back to, if you've been with me for the past year or just recently, I've had some really good days. I've had some really bad days. the last 2 weeks have been probably my worst trade. Even though I haven't lost that much money, the last 2 weeks have really, really sucked mentally. I don't know what it is. Maybe I've been working so hard that it hasn't clicked in yet. I'm looking at something thinking, yeah, I can take winning trades. You can see that here in 521. This was like 5 or 6 trades. It wasn't just one trade. I actually lost a couple of them. But this was like 2 or 3 trades or 4 trades, and this was 2 trades. So none of these were like single trades. These are like the big numbers are usually multiple trades. And, Amazon was that one that really could have made my year. If it was like a PayPal or even Boeing or Disney, I could price in for those stocks. But a $3,500 stock or $3,400 stock, I can't price it in for the common. I need to be in like an options form. And I think I got to push myself to learn options and kind of, my accounts, it's a nice size account for just a new trader. But I think I need more buying power if I want to trade common for something like Amazon, even stocks like Tesla. I'm only trading with 75 shares at the max, maybe 100. And you just don't get when the big moves are going to happen. I can't even take full advantage of it. So overall, it's just been stressful lately. And, this is not a negative video. It's just I want to be, at the soccer game on yesterday for the championship game, I was probably the most positive person out there as a fan, whether it was my son or other kids. And it's so important. But when I get into the training scope, I'm like head down, bothered, slamming desks. And it's just not good. It's not good for me. It's not good for my family. And I'm looking to push hard. And hopefully I can come out of this stronger. And hopefully you guys can help me along the way, and I can help you. If you have any issues going on, let me know. Subscribe if you're new. If you're just finding me, let me know your support system and what you're doing, and we'll try to work something out. So like the video, subscribe if you're new, and share it. I will be back tomorrow and all week. Have a good night.